Good morning, everyone. What's going on? What's going on? It is June already, June 4th, 2019, Tuesday. Let's get it going already. So yesterday, what did we see? SPY actually, gap down pre-market. Then tried to do a little red to green action in the late morning, midday. And to kind of had a little bit of a sideways action throughout the late afternoon or early afternoon, and then it went green to red, closed red at the end of the day. And obviously, you're seeing a lot of securities, getting taken down with it. Overall, the market sector-wise traded relatively strong. I think it was like 8 or 9 trading green. You had your typical consumer. I think IT as well was in the red. And obviously with the China U.S., now the Mexico U.S. I mean, there's a lot of tensions going on across the board. That taken into consideration, you have summer trading right now going on. Well, not yet, but pretty soon. There's going to be a lot of selling pressure across the board, so you definitely want to take that in consideration when you're putting on your positions and when you're scanning for your watch list. So anyway, we got 4 going into ours. We got a couple others that we got on our back burner. But we're focusing on the 4, and we got some targets that we think should be reached relatively quickly, whether it's going to be today or Wednesday. But we're pretty diligent on them. So anyway, let's get into it. So first up, we got Dell. Dell obviously, has been selling off for past couple of days since the 31st. And just had a continuation, obviously, yesterday. We liked to the 52 level, just straight technical. And, it's again, if the market has a different sentiment, like it kind of tried to do on the 31st, then we'll step back and watch it kind of try to fill that gap. But we do not anticipate that happening. We anticipate some more selling pressure because it was pretty weak all day yesterday. So we like it to the 52 level. So next up we got VMW. VMW, obviously we like to 165 on the 200 on the daily. Again, just selling pressure was there. The tape was pretty heavy yesterday, and it didn't have any chance at VWAP midday. So it had a little bit of run late morning, but that didn't work at all. So it's showing some selling pressure across the boards. Boys are definitely jumping ship. So we like it to the downside, 165. Next up, NTNX. NTNX obviously after it's gapped down on 31st, trades sideways rest of the day and then yesterday as well. It's not sold yet. Not sold that this thing is done. We like to the 24 level. Not sure that this thing is done yet. Big picture in it. You obviously know why we put that 24 level. But, again, if this thing's going to show some strength right out of the gate and it stays above VWAP after, the dust settles, then it's probably going to fill this gap. But not sure, not convinced yet. Not convinced that this thing is done. I think it's just a pause, and we're going to see a continuation to the 25, 24 level. Last but not least, MRTX. Obviously had a gap up yesterday. Quite strong, closed over 21 points. The upside, midday, it's kind of weak, quote unquote, trading below VWAP. Tried to get above it multiple times, but got tapped out. We just like it technically to the 85 level, and we're gonna see obviously after the dust settles if our target will get reached tomorrow or Wednesday, but we think it's going to retrace a little bit. Whether it's going to fill this gap completely, do not think so, but we do definitely like this retracement to the 85 level. So we got another one, almost 4 points of downside. We'll take that all day long. Anyway, nice and tight today. We don't have much. We like it like this. Going to focus on what we have been studying, and this is what we got going on to our session today. As always, we wait for price come to us. We sit back and patient. When price sets up, we'll put on our positions, set our risk, and let the stock do what it's supposed to do. All right, guys, that's it, man. As always, you want to check out how we're doing, how we're building our watch list, how we're picking these stocks, how we're trading these stocks. We invite you to come check out the site at thestreettrading.com, and we'll sort you out on the 90-day course. You can check us out on YouTube. Obviously, all our videos we're putting up here as well. Having any question, guys, reach out to us. We're more than happy to answer them for you. All right, guys, have a good one. We will check you later.